Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we have an unboxing to do, and it's the Ipsy Glam bag. It is, I want to say $12 a month. I started it like a year or so ago, it was $10 a month. I think it's up to $12 a month. I pay for the whole year, so I get them every month until it renews next year, and then I'll decide if I'm going to get it again. But it's supposed to send you 5 deluxe sample sized items, or sometimes you could get a full sized. And it's only $12 a month. And all of the links are always in the descriptions to all my boxes that I unbox. So let's open this and see what we got. This bag always comes with this kind of outer packaging. It's an envelope. Mine's always sitting in my mailbox. And this glue is super difficult, so I did pop it loose only because I know the shipping label's on the back and I didn't want to try to like struggle with it on camera. So I haven't really looked at it. Ooh, there's stuff outside of the bag, which is good. That means I will have definitely a brush or something. It is a brush. So the first item is by, I have no idea, Firm a Beauty, and it is a brush, and that's really nice. So we will leave that right there. And ooh, look at this, Rosemary Balancing Scalp Pack with Charcoal Cold Brew. So that'll be neat. I've never gotten stuff in here, and I can't read the back. Oh, after shampooing, apply a generous amount. I've never had one of these, so this will be nice. This is the bag. It's a really pretty bag. Oh, it looks like my little thing is inside. Oh, it's got an airplane on it. This one's kind of transparent. My Ipsy Glam Plus was not see-through, so that's kind of neat. And the paperwork, they quit telling me what you get in it, but it does say take a break. And it does have similar things every month where it just is like a list of stuff. They used to have like each item and how much it costs, and they don't have that anymore. So let's see what else is in here. So this is by Naked, and it's just it's got plastic on it. It's just a loose done eyeshadow. I like having the loose eyeshadows. They are a little bit more difficult to play with, but they're really neat. It comes like all in there as a powder. This looks like it's like kind of pink. We will try that out in just a second. The next item is by Himps, and it's Citrine Crystal Quartz Body Moisturizer. I do love Himps. I think I have every Himps flavor of lotion, because I love the way it smells. I just love it. It's awesome. Oh, that's so nice. And I kind of need it right now because I've had a long day. And the last item in this, I know it goes really fast, but you only get 5 items. It says it is a blush, and it's by The Balm. I like these. These are kind of cool. Hold on, I'll figure out how to get it out. Maybe. I just put lotion on my hand, so this may become an impossibility to do. Come on. Or it won't even come out at all. I don't want to break it. Okay. It probably had paper on it. Oh, that's nice. And it's a blush, so yeah, that's kind of neat. Yeah, I'll use this. That came in the pack. Good thing it came with a brush, because I don't have one over here. So let's throw some of this on real quick. We'll blend it out. Oh, yeah. It's kind of pretty. It's a little high for blush, but that's okay. I don't have anything else on my face other than that moisturizer I just rubbed in. So that's kind of neat. I don't know if you can tell, but it is kind of like a mauve gold. Ooh, it's a little dark. I should have probably turned on another light. That's okay. What's that say? Please recycle this packaging. To recycle, remove pan by pushing out here. Oh. And then you throw the paper products away. That's neat. Okay, so real quick, let's try this powder out. Now, I have a time with pressed powder. Let me tell you, it's a little messy if you aren't careful. So I'm going to get a little bit of it. And we are going to put it in my eye. Well, on my eye. I don't want to put it in my eye. It's kind of really kind of is like totally a new base color. Did I add all those? I did. I added all those in as I spoke. As I try to put this again, not in, but on my eye. And these are usually shimmers. Most often pressed powders are, loose powders are not a matte of any kind. Let's see if I can get the light over here so you can see better. And that's what it is like. I don't know. I'm hoping you can see it. Maybe not. Maybe I can turn this up. Brightness. But it shimmers. It goes on really easy. I do like the pressed powders. The loose powder. I'm over it. I can't speak today. I'm just over it. I'm sorry. I just am the worst. So this is what you get for $5. $5. $12. Oh my gosh. It has been a long day, okay? I'm sorry. Okay, so this is all you get for $12. And like I said, I got a full size. I know that this costs $7.50, and there's a blush and this press. I don't know how much these are. I think they say they're like 8, 12, I'm not sure. And then this conditioner, hair mask, balancing scalp pack. I don't know what this is. It's not in my language, if you can tell, but it does have directions in English on the back, and it's basically, it says, take your scalp to a new level of fresh and clean comfort with this luxurious head spa treatment. So it's got rosemary juice, and it says selected botanical ingredients, charcoal added balanced scalp pack provides rich nutrients and leave oily scalp perfectly balanced and rejuvenated. I'll give it a try. I am game to try anything that you put on your hair, to be honest, especially if it's conditioning. But that is all I have. Like I said, always do say, I do make videos often. I do games sometimes. So make sure you like or comment, subscribe, hit all those little YouTube-y things. There's a bell that you can ding to notify when I upload. All of the stuff I pay for, just because I like getting stuff in the mail. And I share it with you. So, not professional in any way, and I do all my editing. That's everything. So, yeah, I hope to be uploading more often and frequently as some of the stuff dies down. But be patient with me. I do work full time other than this, so this is kind of my hobby. And as always, I hurt your face. Make sure you check out the description and the links, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.